Coates.
Welcome to Wheal Coates. Oh, Wheal boy.
In for a walk, Georgie? Can't see you. I have sunglasses on because my eye has
You have
swollen.
sunglasses on when it's chilly.
Yes, because my eye, this one, has swollen up because of my allergies. So I don't want anything to fly into it and annoy me even more so. So I've got sunglasses on.
Look at the waves.
Oh. You'd think I'd learn from last week to bring a hairband, but no. Here we go. I can't see. So windy. So yeah, if you can hear me, I'm not even sure if you can. We are at Wheal Coates today, which is in St Agnes. Steep and rocky, like uneven terrain, so not really any good for prams.
No, really?
No good for prams.
Really?
Good for adventurous toddlers. He's loving it.
Yeah, they are. Oh, joking.
Whoa! It's the water! So many lovely walks around here. Chapel Porth is just down there. Just a small little beach. Looks like the tide is coming in, so probably won't be much of a beach there in a minute.
I just really want to go down there.
We might go down there in a minute.
That's really, really cool.
There you go, look.
We're on Joey Camp. This is Joey Camp. Live from Joey.
Live from Wheal Coates.
Yep.
Can you see on your camera?
This is
And that's the
Joey.
floor. Nice.
Nice floor,
Can you film something other than the floor?
Whatever.
That's it. Yeah. Who can you see? See Leah?
Listen. Joey.
Look, turn it around. Turn it around. Who's that? Jojo!
Let's go! It's time to move, guys. I'll put it in time now.
That's you.
Oh, yeah.
What's on Joey Camp? Where are we, Leah?
I can't say the name, I forgot.
In Japan.
Porthtowan.
Porthtowan. Porthtowan.
Porthtowan. That's how it's spelled. I just read the sign, I can't pronounce it.
Do you not see the T? Action.
How?
A lot of places
Porthtowan.
down here start with Porth, don't they?
Yeah.
What does Porth stand for? Coast or something?
Like Porthia.
It's got to be something like that, hasn't it?
Port.
Port. Yeah, that makes more sense. Look at that engine house someone's turned into a house.
Where is the beach?
There. Hey, what are you stopping for?
And Joey's giving up on us.
So we've ended up on the beach.
Someone's not behaving today.
Yeah, Joey won't walk.
Not cooperating.
We're gonna go for this.
Being a toddler.
I'm getting stuck in the sand.
Let's at least get to the point we can see the beach.
Yeah.
Let's get to the point where we can actually go on the beach and make sandcastles.
They have very nice ice cream here.
on top of the cliff. There's Wheal Coates over there. I don't think you can see it. That's where we were yesterday. And then just in that little like bit there is Porth. So we're just one beach down. We were going to go up to the beacon today, but the wind is pretty strong and I'm not sure it would be the best idea in the world. It's going to get you! It's going to get you! Oh, it's windy. He's surfing! What is it, George? Is the water coming? You've got odd socks on, mate.
It's coming!
You are so clever.
Hi everyone, I just wanted to pop on and quickly say thank you so much for watching. As always, all the descriptions, postcodes, accessibility and all of that good stuff will be down in the description box, just in case you guys want to come and visit any of these lovely locations. Again, thanks so much for watching and we will see you next time. Bye guys.